Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to transfer money from your Chime checking account. You can easily transfer money from your Chime checking account using either the Chime mobile app or the website. There are two main ways to do this. The first method involves linking your Chime account with external bank accounts through a secure service called Plaid. This allows you to transfer money between your Chime account and another bank account as long as both accounts are under your name and supported by Plaid. To link an external account to your Chime checking account through the app, simply follow these steps. Open the Chime app and tap on Move, then tap the Transfer Money button to open the transfer screen. From there, select your destination account from the drop-down menu under Tool. Tap on Link a new account, then choose Bank account. Tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your external bank account. Once linked, you'll be able to move money easily and efficiently between your Chime and external accounts.